Okay, my name is Doug Ramsay. I own Doug Ramsay Custom Cabinetry. Showing you the fluting jig that we made. Giovanni over here is basically cutting little curves or saw cuts where the flute will go on the face. What you're seeing is the back of the fluting. And this is the way we do our stop fluting as opposed to using a CNC machine. And he's doing the last cut right now. And that is a saw stop with a guard on it, but anyway. So if you look at where this is, the fluting that the jig will follow is right over each one of these cuts. So it's a very low, kind of a low-tech type of jig, but we basically put it into the fixture, and there's this little tiny piece that's the same width of the saw blade, and we actually run it down to the end, so that when the blade, this is the bit, when it comes down, it allows us to do the fluting, and this is basically a giant dovetail, so it slides that way. We put a screw here to have it where we want it to stop. We can move the screw anywhere that we want it to go. And then when we're done with the other end of the cut, there's another screw here that we have, that once we come to the end of the cut that we want to have, then you just lift up, and then basically you move the piece to the next slit, like so. And then you can kind of just move in between. I'm going to have Giovanni show you. And then the third one, you just pick it back up, and you, thank you very much, and you put it on the same thing. All right, so we're going to go ahead and do that. That's one flute done, and then these screws just act as a stop against this edge. So then basically, and then we take the screw out of the piece and then move it to the next setting.